All right. We are live. Athletic Robots. Oh, wait, I forgot to do that. Welcome back, everybody. We're doing the... we're scheduled to go at 8 p.m. Central Standard Time, which is, right now, in 1 minute. So, luckily everybody is paid, so we can go ahead and get the starting lineup out and jump on in. Let me get this video pinned to the featured section, right on the top of the group page. You can find us nice and easy like. Of course, we're coming at you from Iowa, and we got more breaks coming this evening, so if you get in on those, you'll get free combined shipping and stuff. What we're going to do is open these cards and do a review at the end of the hits, and then we will upload the video to YouTube as well. So let's start off this starting lineup with Nick Hemmer. He has the Bills, Chiefs, and Rams. Let's get them. Nick Hemmer for president. Oh! I hear he's running. I don't know. Damon Knifer, welcome back with the Ravens and Panthers. Gabe D'Artenzio, the Cardinals, Browns, and Jags. Michael Huthman, Cowboys and Raiders. Keith Paletti, Vikes and Giants. Michael Hollinger, here we go. I gotta take multiple breaths here. Broncos, Lions, Packers, Texans, Chargers, Patriots, Seahawks, Bucks, Titans. Woo! Corey Kaywood has the Commanders. Robert Michael Baldacci has the Niners. Todd McCormick, there he goes with the Steelers. Andrew Jones, the Eagles. Robert Zimmerman, the Jets. Richard Garcia, the Saints. Jeffrey Engel, the Finns. Walter Lutz, the Colts. Luke Shedler, Bengals. Scott Kizier, the Bears. Michael Boger, the Falcons. And that is the starting lineup. So let's have some fun, everybody. Go ahead and refresh the group page. Make sure everybody has permissions to just exclaim what team they love and must have all the greatest cards from. We're going to do 16 hangers, so I'll do half. TJ will do half. We are looking at the reactive orange, the silver variations, and they are packed with all the SP goodies like Razzle Dazzle, Honeycomb, Genesis, Busted, Mosaic, Glass. I don't know if I forgot.
Apparently Storm Chasers.
Storm Chasers, too. I don't even think that's on the list. Maybe it does. But, yeah, Storm Chasers is on there. All right. Well, let's have some fun, guys. Let's get up in here and rock and roll. So, no comments yet. That's crazy. Must mean James is not on the broadcast. It's only a matter of time. Best of luck, guys. It's hard to say if you have... Well, I don't know. I might have a backwards card coming through yonder.
Looks like it. First hanger?
Skylar Thompson. Damian Pierce. Roger McCreary. Kenneth Walker. Backwards card, scripts. Marquez Callaway. And a Genesis.
Ooh! In the same pack?
Jeffrey Simmons Genesis right behind it.
Wow.
There we go, kids. So we got a Saints autograph of Marquez Callaway. Not numbered. And then we got the Genesis, Jeffrey Simmons for the Titans.
We just passed our number of hits in the last break in the
Yeah.
first pack.
Yeah, first hanger.
That's what I'm talking.
Nice. Oranges, David Montgomery, Shaquille Barrett, Jamal Adams, Federian Mathis. Alright, that's how we started off. Jeffrey Simmons, I know, is pretty good, but I'm not. Marcus Callaway, I don't know. Not sure about him. His auto says MC1. So, and I do see his jersey number as 1. I also notice he's not a rookie, so.
I think he's like second or maybe third year.
Genesis was just sitting right behind it. It's like, when you get a good one, you get a good one twice in Panini Land. That is kind of how it happens too with blasters too. You get something and then a lot of the time you get something else.
It's definitely a YouTube Shorts candidate.
Yeah. That's true. It's up there. I haven't made a YouTube short since the original YouTube short. Garrett Wilson debut. Which I don't even know what happened to that either. Samori Torre. Traylon Burks. Malcolm Rodriguez. Got a honeycomb.
Oh, what?
Right after this card, Jelani Woods. Jason Taylor for the Finns.
Wow.
Honeycomb, yeah. All right. Oh, there's a Genesis coming through as well.
What?
Second hanger, boy. So we got Jason Taylor, Honeycomb, Mean Joe Green, Mosaic, and here goes the Jenny. Boom! James Cook for the Bills Mafia. Debut. Nice.
Oh, my.
Oh, shit. What we gonna do now? Oranges, Robert Glenn. Fletcher Cox. Kenneth Walker, debut. Spicy. Chris Oladukin. Oh, we can't be stopped today. We're absolutely just on fire.
Is that you, Nick Hammer?
I don't know. Which one? The Bills? Yeah, I think you got the Bills, didn't you? Yep. Sure enough.
What a start.
Nick Hammer is on fire here recently.
Yeah, the past 2 weeks.
Specifically his Mahomes tangent. He got, I believe, didn't he get a honeycomb and a numbered one?
Yeah, honeycomb and an orange fluorescent.
And
He
then,
might have got the Genesis too.
I don't remember.
Because didn't we have?
I think we got two
hit the
Genesis.
Patrick Mahomes Jenny in that same break?
I don't know.
I could have sworn we had hit at least.
I got him over here. We can look through there. I don't remember. Yeah, baby, greater. Genesis and numbered, no honeycomb. Oh, okay. So we'll have to work on that one.
Yeah, that one day was crazy. We just pulled every Mahomes SP possible.
Was that the second hanger?
Yeah.
Wow.
Through 2 hangers, we have 4 SPs.
4 SPs through 2 hangers, ladies and gentlemen. Now that's possibly a short. Both of those 2 first hangers. Let's see if we can add a third to it. Hard to top those 2 hangers combined. Brees Hall debut. Trayvon Walker. Jaquan Brisker. Bo Melton. Carson Strong. Jamal Adams Silver. Wages. Devondre Campbell. Matt Stafford. Herbie. Go Chargers. Greg Dulcich. Security.
Yeah, that's got to be the craziest back-to-back hangers ever.
That was nice.
That was...
2 Jennies, a honeycomb, and an auto. Out of the very first 2 hangers, too, of course.
2 in each is crazy.
Well, of course, our last hanger break, we only got one Jenny for the whole thing.
Yeah.
Not distributed very evenly, are they? Sauce Gardner debut. Sam Williams, Mike Woods, Kenneth Walker, Skylar Thompson, Terry Bradshaw Silver, Oranges, Marcus Mariota, Jalen Hurts, Aaron Rodgers, Kyer Elam. Yeah, more than a whole hobby case, yeah. It's amazing. We're doing pretty awesome on the cellos, too. I think we got a cello break up next, actually.
Yep.
And then we got blasters to top it off this evening. The finale for the weekend. Make sure you guys check back on Super Bowl weekend. We're doing some optic retail boxes.
That'll be Saturday night. Last break of the night.
Oh, it's going to be spicy. John Mechie, Jermaine Johnson III, Trey McBride, John Pascal, Kevin Byard, Grind, Winges, Juju, Ty Law, Terry Bradshaw, Trey McBride. You like that Jalen Hurts? All right. Let me see that Jalen Hurts. We'll case it up. All right, I'll case that up for you. That is nice, too. I was debating on casing it for the video. Jahan Dotson debut. Danny Gray, Nakobe Dean, Jerome Ford, Garrett Wilson. There you go, Jets. Jake Ferguson, Grind. Oranges, Matt Trader Ryan, Alvin Kamara, Kyle Hamilton debut. We'll case that one. Logan Hall. Need a green Jalen now. All right. You're going to work on that. These oranges, though, look really sharp. Yeah. All right. Hanger number 7. Got one more to the halfway point here. I think I've done my fair share, though, already. I mean, Chris Oladukin, Pierre Strong Jr., Logan Hall, Villas Jones Jr., Grind, David Montgomery, Winges, Juju, Keyshawn Johnson, Aaron Rodgers, Drake Jackson. And hanger number 8. This will put us at the halfway point. TJ will step in and do the rest. And then we'll do a review at the end. Make sure to check back for our following breaks. We're breaking till our fingers break off. Danny Gray, Nakobe Dean, Jerome Ford, Garrett Wilson, go Jets. Silver T-Law, there you go, Jaguars, that's spicy. Oranges, Dak, Damian Harris, Antoine Winfield Jr., John Mechie III. And that's all I got, Kit. Not too shabby. So first half of the break, we do have 2 Genesis, a Honeycomb, and an Auto. Which is good for like 4 breaks. So hopefully everybody likes that. I'm going to refresh the group page, make sure everybody has permissions. Pending approval. I'm looking for number 4 break.
We live.
We're right here, Robert. People love it when I decline their posts. But I don't know. I don't like posts like that.
Need a green Jalen. We got a green Jalen Hurts last break. Might as well just get him again. Why not?
Might as well.
Let me put this somewhere where the red X isn't. And let's get started.
Just get the whole, every color.
Might as well get the Jalen Hurts rainbow.
Yeah. He earned it, for sure. If he wins the Super Bowl, then he's, grooming his GOAT status.
Who you guys got in the Super Bowl? I got the Chiefs.
I got the Chiefs. But it'll be a real good game, that's for sure.
Due to personal hate to the Eagles. No offense. Jahan Dotson, Trent McDuffie, David Bell, Boye Mafe, Green Darren Waller, Orange Micah Parsons. You go Cowboys. Chris Godwin, Kenny Pickett debut. The Steelers, Jerome Ford. Nick Hemmer says one guess who he has in the Super Bowl.
Yeah.
I'm going to say the Dolphins.
Definitely the Chiefs.
I was close.
That's close. Dolphins got to be quicker than that. Almost.
Garrett Wilson debut. Zamir White, Alante Taylor, Derek Young, Breece Hall, Ronald Moore Silver, Orange Joey B, go Bengals, Terry McLaurin, Chris Jones, Velas Jones. I'm not watching, I only watch the Puppy Bowl.
Yeah.
Nick Hemmer will not be watching the Super Bowl this year. There's more pressing games on.
Puppy Bowl. That's something to fall asleep to. I give it 7 minutes and I'm off.
Guaranteed.
Once they start explaining the breeds and how you groom them, and I'm just like, oh, I'm gone.
Kenneth Walker debut. Cade Otton, Sky Moore, Calvin Austin, Cade York, Clyde Edwards-Helaire Green, Orange Luke Kuechly, Kadarius Toney, Tom Brady, Patriots Super Bowl MVP. Go Pats.
Yeah.
Wan'Dale Robinson. Will to win Zach Wilson. Jerry Rice Hall of Fame. Desmond Ridder debut. Jalen Tolbert, Arnold Ebiketie, Darian Tavis-Price, Brian Cook, Kadarius Toney Green, Orange David Montgomery, Eli Mitchell, Brian Burns, Rashad White. There we go, Bucks. 4 hangers to go. Traylon Burks, debut. Desmond Ritter, K. Dotton, Sky Moore, Calvin Austin III. I think that's like the exact same pack we just got. Quay Walker, green. There you go, Packers. Orange, Marvin Jones, Damian Harris, Brian Burns, Daniel Bellinger. Green, George Kittle, Thunder Lane. George Pickens' debut. Cam Thomas. Tristan Ebner. Jahan Dotson. Trent McDuffie. Michael Carter, green. That's color match Jets. Orange, Javonte Williams. Austin Eckler. Kendrick Bourne. Skylar Thompson. Touchdown Masters Stafford. Javonte Williams, bang. Kyle Hamilton debut. Jaquan Brisker, Bo Melton, Carson Strong, Jake Ferguson. Green, David Njoku. Orange, Davis Mills, Hunter Renfrow, Marquez Valdez-Scantling, Andrew Booth Jr. And the last hanger pack of the break.
You can do it.
Breece Hall debut. Chris Alodican, Pierre Strong, Logan Hall, Velus Jones, Desmond Ritter, green. You go Falcons. Pat Mahomes, orange. Hunter Henry, Jameis Winston, Quay Walker. Thunderlane George Kittle, and will to win Derek Carr to end it.
So all the action came out of the first 2 hangers.
Yep. Got a whole 2 to 3 breaks worth of SPs, though, in those first 2 hangers.
Yeah.
All right. Let's do the recap. Because that was pretty crazy. We got, for base, Garrett Wilson, Kenneth Walker, Damian Pierce, and Kenneth Walker. Got a silver Trevor Lawrence, green Desmond Ritter, and some oranges Patrick Mahomes, Rashad White, Tom Brady, Joe Burrow, Micah Parsons, Kenny Pickett debut, Kyle Hamilton debut, Jalen Hurts, Justin Herbert, and Kenneth Walker debut. In the hits of the break, all from the first 2 hangers, we got James Cook Genesis for the Bills, Jason Taylor Honeycomb for the Dolphins, Jeffrey Simmons Genesis for the Titans, and the Marquez Callaway Mosaic Scripts for the Saints. That was the spiciest start to a break I've ever seen, ever.
That was great.
Yeah. We got 24 Mosaic Cellos coming up at 9:30. Auctions will be ending here in like 5-10 minutes. So don't miss out on that. And we'll have some blasters after that.
Yeah.
We'll see ya.
See ya.